So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video we are going to discuss about an amazing high paying job opportunity in Google in their customer solutions team, which is for the role of customer solutions representative. And in this role freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to discuss about the eligibility criteria, job description, how you can apply for this role, and the interview related questions and answers that are asked for this particular role. So be there in the video till the end. And in case you have landed new to my channel, consider subscribing it because I make videos on job opportunities and interview preparation. So friends, just before moving ahead, please do like my videos as it gives me a lot of motivation to make more such videos for you. Thank you for your liking in my previous video. So let's start with this. The eligibility criteria for this role is that you need to have either a bachelor's degree or equivalent experience. So if you are a 12th pass, Google also allows candidates who do not have a college degree, but then they should have relevant experience of at least 3 years in that type of job role. Otherwise, if you have done bachelor's degree, you can apply. Next is good communication skills, both written and verbal, good analytical skills, good interpersonal skills, and planning skills. So these are the kind of skills that are required for this particular role. And in this video, I'm going to cover two behavioral questions related to analytical and interpersonal skills. So please do watch this video even if you don't want to apply for this role, because these questions will be very useful for other companies like Amazon also. So next, moving on to the job description. So here you will act as the Google customer solutions representative for a respective set of customers and agencies. So there will be certain customers that will be assigned to you. You will have to strengthen long-term relationships with them, gain broad exposure to many Google products, clients and agencies across various sectors in the country. So you will have to gain exposure to certain Google products so that you can tell solutions related to those products to the clients. Next is work towards identifying and implementing solutions that best suit the unique needs of your clients. So Google will have certain clients. Suppose a restaurant business owner is one of the clients of Google, and then the restaurant business owner comes to you and asks for solutions that Google can provide to improve its business. So as a customer solutions representative, you will have to provide solutions to that. So this is the basic job role. You can read about it completely on its web page, but this is the basic thing. And next is you will spot and analyze customer needs and trends. So friends, next moving on to the salary part, which is absolutely amazing. It is between 12 to 16 lakhs per annum for 0 to 1 years of experience. And in case you have any doubt, you can check it online. This is the salary range for this role, which is absolutely amazing. So now friends, moving on to the interview round. So round 1 will be telephonic in case they shortlist your CV. Round 2 will be the manager interview where they will ask you some behavior related questions, and round 3 will be the HR interview. So we will cover first the manager round where they will ask you certain behavior questions. So a very common question for this role is talk about a time where you showed your analytical skills. So this is a behavior question, and in Amazon and other companies also analytical skills are required. So this could very well be asked for those companies also. So here you can talk about a situation where you use your analytical skills. So analytical skills are basically when uh, look for trends in the data and from that trend deduce a solution. So I have prepared a sample answer. During my college final year, we were assigned a group project to do research on startup companies who failed in the recent past. So after finalizing the company for whom we wanted to do research, we collected all of the important data from the internet regarding that company. We had to analyze the data in a meaningful way for the business and report the reason for failure of that business. So it turned out that I had the strongest analytical abilities in the group, so I led the rest of the group in analyzing the data. Because of my analytical skills, we found that the business had been targeting the wrong market all along, and we were able to show the market segment that the business should have targeted in order to be successful. So this could be an example. So you can similarly frame your answer like that. So friends, next is a random shout out for one of my subscriber, Akhila Minu. So it's a random shout out against her name, which I always do. And in case you want a random shout out against your name, please do subscribe to my channel and leave a valuable comment. So friends, moving on to the next question, it could be asked, imagine you had to plan a party. What steps would you take to do it? So as I said, your planning skills are required for this role. So this question has been asked for this particular role to check your planning skills. So what will you do? Firstly, you have to choose your party theme. Is it a kids party, adults birthday party, special occasion party, or seasonal events party? Then you have to define your budget. How much money can you spend on the party? Set a date, choose your venue, and prepare the guest list. Send your invites to the guests. Stock up on party supplies and decorations. Plan and then buy your party food. Decorate the venue and get the party started. So this is the way you should plan a party. So just to check your planning skills. Next is again a behavioral question. So this question can also be asked in other companies like Amazon. So talk about a time when you dealt with a difficult coworker. So this is a behavioral question and it is advised that you use STAR technique here. STAR is situation, task, action and result. So I'll just give you a sample answer so that you can know how you can apply. So for the talking about situation and task, so you can say something like that depending on your scenario. There was one project where this happened. I and my new coworker were assigned the task to work on an important project together. However, after few days, I realized that he is not able to complete his share of work on time, and quality of work was also compromised. So this was the situation and task given to you. So what action you took? Initially, I thought maybe he is incompetent, but then I decided to first talk to him in private. It turned out that my coworker said that he knew his work hadn't been up to the mark, but was afraid to address the issue with me and the team lead. He said that he felt overwhelmed by the project and that this was probably because his mother is unwell, due to which he is not able to concentrate on work. After listening to him, I took him in confidence and suggested him to talk to the team leader as he is very understanding. Our team leader understood his concern and gave him the flexibility to do work from home. So this was the action you took, and then result. As a result, my co-worker was able to work well, and he was also able to take care of his mother at home. Both the speed and quality of his work improved, and we were able to finish the project just in time. So this could be a good way to answer this question, where you have shown how you dealt with a difficult coworker. And in case you don't have experience, you can talk about your college project where you could have dealt with a difficult colleague. Next, if you are experienced, they can ask you to talk about your previous experience. So you have to talk about that, and even if it is not exactly same, you have to talk about some of the skills or some of the responsibilities that were similar to this role. Next, why you want to leave your previous job? Here you have to tell them a genuine reason. Next, why should we hire you? So I have already made a video on that. You can check that video and prepare your answer for this role accordingly. Next is some of the HR interview questions. Describe your resume. So here you have to talk about your education background, previous experience if you have any, accomplishments if any. This is the most important thing, and Google pays a lot of emphasis on your accomplishments, extracurricular activities you participated in, and your interest and hobbies. Next is why this role. So here you have to highlight strengths you have related to this role and back it up with real life example. So strengths could be good communication skills, analytical thinking, relationship building. So these are some of the skills. Next is why Google. So here you have to highlight positive things about Google that attract you, impressive achievements, learning opportunities from highly talented people. It is an MNC, so you will get to work with people from different cultures, and it has a strong brand name. So friends, these were about the questions. Now I'll just show you where you can apply for this role. So this job has been floated in Google website, and I've given the link in the description box. So you can read about the entire job description here, and if you feel okay, you can just go to apply. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep coming up with more such videos in future. Till then, bye bye.